Alright, so I'm going to do this just to show you guys how easy this is. So what you want to do is open up your browser app and head over to this coupon page right here. It's called Feel the Deals, and this is where I found the discount for my order. So type it in just like that in your browser, and this is where we're going to get the promo code. Okay, so when you go on their page, you'll see all of the brands that they have to offer. And now what you want to do is either scroll down and find it, or go up here to the search bar and type in the brand that you want. Okay, and then at the bottom here, you're going to see the logo that corresponds with the brand that you're after. And then tap on that. And now you'll see it has some little details about it and some savings tips. But what we're going to do is go on down to the coupons and deals section. And from here, you're going to see the $100 off coupon code that we want. So go ahead and press that show code button. And what this is going to do is going to show you part of the code. But as you guys can see, it's got these little hashes. So that means that the code is locked, and that's completely fine. Don't worry, we're going to unlock it. So what you want to do is go ahead and press that unlock code button. All right, now it's going to take us to this page to start the process. And it's going to say complete 2 of these from the list below to unlock the promo code. Now this is where you're going to want to go ahead and tap on the free button on any one of these. You can pick any one, whatever one's easier. Just go ahead and get 2 of these completed. And then once we've done that, we're going to go back to Feel the Deals, and the code should become unlocked. So it's literally that easy. It doesn't take too long, and it gets you a completely working promo code. Okay, I'm going to pick one of these just to show you what it does. Redirects to the Google Play Store, and it wants me to use the app and complete some tasks. Some are games that want you to reach a certain level, but I try to go for the easiest ones since they take the least amount of time. And guys, these are completely free, so they don't cost you anything. And I'm going to do this off camera, and I'll be back to record the rest of the process after I do 2 of these apps. Okay guys, it should be all good to go. I just did 2 of the apps and followed the instructions. Here they are right here, downloaded with the given directions completed. So now that should register with Feel the Deals. And once you've done those apps, let's say you've completed them like I have, you want to go back to that page in your browser and then refresh it again. Okay, now we're going to go back to the search deals at the top, type in the brand again. And now it should be configured with those sponsor apps that we just did. And now the promo code should be available. And if it doesn't work, try some of the other ones and you should be able to get it to work. And there it is, guys. So there goes the fully unlocked code. This is our $100 promo code, and it only works once. So you guys can go ahead and copy the code you were given and then put it in and redeem it for a $100 credit. And you can keep doing this on Feel the Deals as many times as you want. This is already my 3rd code, but you've got to keep doing the same process, and it'll give you a new code every time. Although you can't keep doing the same apps over and over, you have to do different ones for it to work again. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you need any help, please drop a comment below. I can help you guys out. But thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.